Hello traders, um, it's another day. Let's start trading with Candlestick Psychology. Okay, that's the best way we can win some trades. You can be let's just dig, and dig. I'll go with the higher option from here. I placed here a higher option mainly because of this. Let me explain. Mainly because of actually I had a good entry point. Look at where I had my entry point. I placed here a higher option mainly because of one, this level I go from here. Okay, sorry, because of this level I go from here, and rejections I'm seeing from this particular point. Because I know market to come down, but when it come down, for sure it will reverse back up at least to this particular level. Okay, it will still close as bearish. Oh, it closed as doji, but because of my entry point, I want to trade. What is this? This is not good. This market is not good. This market is not good. I don't know. I don't understand. But let's just leave this market, okay, and look for a very good one. You can't just be trading every market. Okay, this is seller's area actually, so we should be, oh sorry, this is buyer's area. I mean to say buyer's area, not seller's area. Okay, let's see. I'm just looking at the market with different perspective. Okay, I didn't see this early, like I'll go with the higher option. Starting from here, I can say this is it. We don't have any reasonable. Okay, there is a strong rejection. We have a very strong rejection. I'll go with buyers. Buy late entry again because of fast momentum. A fast movement, sorry. Okay, let me explain anyway. Let me explain. So I placed here a higher option mainly because of this strong sellers, this strong buyers in the market. Okay, actually it started from this level, and two, it should reach this level. Okay, it should actually reach this level before it reverse, just like the way we started getting some rejections here. That is why I placed here a higher option, but it's ended late because of fast movements. Okay, it's a win trade. So let me look at the behavior of this market before I can place my trade. Sometimes you have to just this market is very bad. For another market, Euro USD. Okay, I think we can get some opportunity from here. This is a wrong number. strong level actually. Red green. You know what? I'm expecting. I want to enter my trade with margin of safety. Okay, I can go with bias. Oh my god. I wanted to place my trade with margin of safety, but I ended up placing my trade somewhere here. Anyway, let's see what will happen. Okay, I placed my trade a higher option mainly because of this level. Okay, you see sellers tried several times, buyers entered from here. Okay, here sellers tried, but they were not able to continue. Buyers entered again, sellers tried for the second time, buyers entered. You should respect buyers entry because of this particular level. Okay, that is why I placed here a higher option. It's a green trade. I'll go with Euro USD again because it's simple to trade this one sometimes. There is a level here. Okay. Okay, hit this level. I wish it could go up more. I'll go with the lower option. Oh, time. I wanted to place here a lower option because it hit the level and it's supposed to go down and close as a bearish. But like I will even lose the trade because of this. And this level also. This is now a level. You see, like I might lose the trade also. Okay, I'll go with sellers here. I was looking for a good entry point at this particular level, at this particular point. I placed the sell option because of this level. Okay, I know market will hit this level and reverse. That is why I placed here a lower option. But the problem is I wanted to place my trade here, not here. I wanted to place my trade here. It will not close as bearish, it will close as bullish, but I was expecting my trade to close somewhere here. That is why I wanted to place my trade here, but I think this will be a lost trade and this strategy won't work today. Let me look for another USD again. Let's see USD. I'll go with a lower option. I placed here a lower option again because of this, the level I drew up here. Okay, and there's a rejection, so we should expect sellers to enter the market to go more down. Anyway, this is also a major downtrend, so okay, it's not major, it's a ranging market, but here we have strong sellers in the market from this point. So it's a good trade. Okay, I think 5 trade is enough. One OTM, huh? One OTM from this particular level. This strategy did not work for me. So anyway, thank you for watching my video. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe. And if this is not your first time here, please, and you haven't subscribed, please again subscribe and hit the like button for me.